Should you drink bay leaf tea every day? What are the health benefits of this ancient plant and what are the potential risks? Bay leaves are known for their medicinal properties such as stimulating digestion, fighting inflammation, and relieving pain. But are these claims true or just myths? In this video, we'll explore the amazing herb known as bay leaf, looking deeper into the improvements you may notice in your body with regular use. We'll also discuss who should avoid bay leaf tea at all costs. Be sure to stick around until the end as I show how to prepare the tea and the best way to consume it to maximize its medicinal benefits. But first, please drop a like on this video to help it reach more people. And I want to know, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments below. But now, let's begin. Laurel, also known as bay leaf, comes from the Mediterranean region. In ancient Greece, laurel was valued as a special plant that symbolized protection and the presence of Apollo, the god of healing, music, and prophecy. The Greeks used laurel in religious ceremonies, rituals, and festivals. Winners of the ancient Olympic Games were given crowns made of laurel leaves as a symbol of victory and recognition from the gods. The Romans kept this tradition, giving laurel wreaths to important people like soldiers, emperors, and poets. They also used laurel in cooking, adding it to sauces, stews, and preserves, and used it for medicinal purposes. The Greeks believed that laurel had energizing properties and used it to treat various health issues like digestive problems, headaches, respiratory infections, and even rheumatism. Were the ancient Greeks right about the medicinal benefits of bay leaves? Is there scientific evidence to back up what they believed about this medicinal plant? Or are they just a tasty addition to your meals? Keep watching to learn more about the key reasons why bay leaves should be part of your daily diet. First and foremost, they can boost the immune system. If you suffer from frequent infections, colds, or the flu and have low immunity, bay leaves can be a helpful herb to consider. Bay leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, zinc, and potassium, all of which are crucial for a healthy immune system. Additionally, bay leaves have shown antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties in laboratory studies. They are rich in polyphenols, which help fight oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals that can weaken the immune system. Some studies also suggest that bay leaves can act as a prebiotic, increasing the number of beneficial gut bacteria, which further supports immunity. So think about adding bay leaves to your meals or using them more often for their immunity benefits. Number 2, improves digestion. If you struggle with poor digestion or frequent bloating, bay leaves can help. The leaves contain natural compounds like Eugenol, which have carminative, gas-relieving, and anti-inflammatory effects. Eugenol helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making digestion more efficient. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can help ease irritation and discomfort in the digestive system, providing relief from symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Number 3, relieves body pain. For those dealing with joint pain, lower back pain, or relying heavily on painkillers and anti-inflammatories, bay leaves offer a natural alternative. Rich in eugenol, bay leaves have antioxidant properties that combat free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to premature aging and disease. Eugenol also has anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial benefits. Bay leaves may help modulate the immune system, regulating the body's inflammatory response. An unregulated immune response can lead to chronic inflammation, but bay leaves can help balance this, providing relief from chronic pain and inflammation. Number 4, calms your body. Bay leaves contain linalool, a compound known for its relaxing properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety. The soothing scent of bay leaves positively impacts mental and emotional health, making it a great choice for aromatherapy. You can promote relaxation and a sense of well-being by adding a few drops of bay leaf essential oil to an aroma diffuser or using it in compresses. Simply soak a clean towel in warm water with a few drops of bay essential oil or bay leaf tea. You can also enjoy the benefits through massage or direct inhalation. Even a small cup of bay leaf tea can serve as a self-care ritual, providing a moment of calm and relaxation in your busy day. Number 5, regulates blood sugar levels. Bay leaves contain compounds that can help reduce insulin resistance, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Studies have shown that consuming bay leaves can lead to a significant reduction in blood glucose levels. For instance, in one study, participants with diabetes who took 3 grams of bay leaf powder daily for 30 days experienced lower glucose levels, improved cholesterol profiles, and reduced triglycerides. Bay leaves also help increase HDL, the good cholesterol, contributing to overall better metabolic health. Including bay leaves in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood sugar levels and improve overall metabolic function. Number 6. Alleviates respiratory problems. In addition to boosting immunity and detoxifying the body, bay leaves have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Inhaling the aroma of bay leaves through teas, vapor, or essential oils can help open your airways, relieve nasal congestion, and reduce coughing. The decongestant and expectorant properties of bay leaves helps to thin mucus, providing relief and a sense of well-being for those suffering from respiratory issues. Number 7. Improves heart health. Bay leaves have antioxidant properties that protect the cardiovascular system and reduce inflammation, which helps slow the progression of atherosclerosis. They contain caffeic acid, which improves cholesterol levels, reduces triglycerides, and increases HDL cholesterol, all contributing to better heart health. Bay leaves also contain coumarins, which have anticoagulant properties. Therefore, it's best to avoid bay leaves a few days before surgery as they can lower blood pressure. Despite the many benefits, it's important not to consume bay leaves excessively as overconsumption can lead to adverse effects. There is a case in the literature of a woman who developed fulminant hepatitis from consuming too much bay leaf. Therefore, moderation is key when incorporating bay leaves into your diet. Before incorporating bay leaves into your diet or using them for medicinal purposes, it's important to consult with your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Bay leaves can interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for everyone. For instance, their blood sugar-lowering effects can impact diabetes treatment, and their anticoagulant properties can affect blood-thinning medications. Additionally, if you are pregnant, nursing, or planning to undergo surgery, it's crucial to seek medical advice to avoid any potential complications. Your doctor can provide personalized guidance on the safe and effective use of bay leaves based on your specific health needs. But now, as promised, let's discuss how to make bay leaf tea at home. To make bay leaf tea, you'll need 4 bay leaves and 500 milliliters of water. Start by bringing the water to a boil. Once boiling, add the bay leaves and let them boil for a few minutes to release their flavors and nutrients. After turning off the heat, let the leaves steep for 10 to 15 minutes. You can enjoy the tea warm, which is great for digestion, or add ice cubes for a refreshing cold drink. It's best not to sweeten it, but if you prefer, a little honey can be added. A common question is whether fresh or dried bay leaves are better. Fresh bay leaves have a higher concentration of essential oils like eugenol and linalool, which gives them their distinct aroma. As the leaves dry, some of these essential oils may evaporate, resulting in a less intense aroma. However, dried bay leaves are more readily available and are often used in studies on bay leaf benefits. Remember to consume bay leaf tea in moderation to enjoy its benefits safely. But real quick, be sure to watch some of our other helpful videos that are popping up on your screen right about now. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.